Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error 303. First, we'll start with something very simple yet powerful. So over the time, apps store temporary files to load faster, but sometimes those files get corrupted and the app starts acting weird. To resolve this issue, we will first head over to our device settings. From here, scroll down and tap on General. Once you're in the General Settings tab, look for iPhone Storage option and tap on it. Over here, you can either search for the app or you can scroll down and look for it. Then tap on the app. On the next screen, you need to tap on the Offload app option. A confirmation pop-up will come up. Now tap on the Offload app option here. It'll take a bit for processing, and then a reinstall button will show up. Simply tap on it to reinstall the app. This should resolve the issue, but if it doesn't, then you need to check if the app is running an older version. Head over to App Store. From here, double tap on this search icon in the bottom right corner, and then search for the app. Once the app comes up in the search result, and if you see this update button right next to the app, simply tap on it to make sure you're running the latest version of the app. However, if you continue to encounter this issue, then you will need to completely reinstall the app, which usually resolves the problem. Head over to this screen the way we did before. And over here, tap on the Delete App option here to uninstall the app from your device. A confirmation pop-up will come up. Now tap on the Delete option here. Once uninstalled, open up App Store and search for the app in the search bar. After the app comes up in the search result, simply click on this cloud icon to install it back onto your device. Hopefully, this resolves the issue. If it does, consider sending a super thanks to support our channel. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video.